Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Solange, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to style a bar cabinet and a bar cart. Since I have both of them, I have it in different ways. One I have more for my husband with whiskey and more masculine, and the other one I have my own tequila margarita bar. So I'm going to show you both things, and if you just want to do all in one, all your liquors in one, I'm going to show you how to do that too. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start first with the whiskey bar cart. I'm going to start by creating a backdrop with decor. This book over here is from Amazon. I have it all in my LTK, my links there. And I have this one is thrifted, and it's just like a nice color for a whiskey bar. So I'm gonna put them on the side like this. I'm gonna add this little frame that is also thrifted, and I printed this picture over there. And put it here on the other side. A little candle. Everything kind of like matches the aesthetic, the color. This thrifted ashtray. Then also this little whiskey set. We have to refill it with whiskey, but I only have one bottle right now, so we're gonna buy another one, refill it, and then add the bottle on the side. And we have this whiskey bottle right now, so I'm gonna put it on this side. If you have many whiskey bottles, you can just like layer them together. You can also do a set like this. They have many of them on Amazon. I'm gonna have all the whiskey elements for a bar linked in my links, in my Instagram and in my LTK. So if you want, if you have more space, you can add a little vintage lamp. You can add, I want to buy actually a cigar box, like a wooden cigar box, to add an extra element for it, but that would be mostly about it. So let's go to the cabinet. So for the cabinet, since we have an open space like this, I like to cluster them all together. Like for example, all the bottles in a little tray like this. So I'm gonna put it on the side. Right now I have 2 bottles, but if you have different bottles that you wanna put all together, you can use a tray. This one's, so I'm gonna put them on the side right here. So if you have different liquors, you just group them all together. If you want to have like all this empty space to create a drink, that's basically my idea. So I have all the bar elements needed to create drinks. I'm gonna put it over here. I put it on this vase. I think it was like a Dollar Tree vase or something like that, like a flower vase. I just put them all together. It also has a little bit of brass. All this are from Amazon if I'm not mistaken, so I'm gonna link them too. I also have the shakers and a little bottle topper. Put it behind it. I also bought this dried limes, and I just put them in a jar. Add them here for decor. Also have this thrifted little tray I'm gonna use it to put like the tequila shots, like the shot glasses. I have this ones, actually I have 6 of them. And I'm gonna add just 2 because it's mostly my husband and me. So this is basically completed. I don't wanna add anything else because it's enough. So for the backdrop, I'm gonna add this, it's called Tequila book. I got from Amazon. And this one, I don't remember if I got it from Amazon or Urban Outfitters. So it's like a cool, like colorful book that is all like cocktail recipes. So I'm gonna put them there. have this too. This is actually a print that I had for my birthday because it was disco themed. So, and it says disco tequila. So I have this thrifted artwork over here, and it's like a little colorful too. Kind of reminds me of Mexico, you know, and that's where tequila is from. So I'm just gonna layer them on the other side. I bought actually this tray at Ross. It was super cheap, and it's like real beautiful marble. I also have some coasters. Probably got them also like at Home Goods or Ross, and they're like super cheap. I'm gonna put them on the side. And finally some flowers. You can add like a little plant or something to give it a little bit of life. I'm gonna add this one. This is a thrifted vase, and I have this beautiful flowers. Just add a little bit of color. This way. Just like that. And that's about it. If you want to do just a bar cabinet with all your liquors, as I said, you can just put all your bottles in one space, and then have on the other side your shakers and all the elements you need to make a cocktail. You can have some shots in the background, but always remember to add some type of art and some type of flowers or a vase, some cocktail books. I think it makes it more interesting. Then I have in my cabinet, I have all my glassware down here. For example, this margarita glasses that I thrifted. They're super cute. They're real glass, kind of heavy. I can put them here if I wanted to. I can put both of them like this. So it's even more obvious it's a margarita station. But yeah, you can like play around with all these elements and just find what makes sense to you and what looks good to you and what is also functional. Then I always like to add art on the wall. I have here, and I have here some also. This one's actually art pictures that I took from different beaches that I've been to that I really love. And this one is a thrifted artwork from Botticelli, and it's one of my favorites, honestly, because it's just so beautiful and it makes sense with all the rest of the color palette. So that will be it basically. I hope this inspires you to make your own mini bar at home. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, all those things. And I'll have all my links in my LTK link. So thank you so much. Bye.